Hey there, financial explorers. Are you stuck trying to figure out if you should choose term life or permanent life insurance? You're not alone. It's one of the most confusing questions out there. But fear not. In today's video, we're cutting through the noise and giving you the ultimate guide to term versus permanent life insurance. Stick around because we're breaking down the differences, the pros and cons, and when to choose which. And as always, we're sprinkling in a little humor to keep things fun, because life insurance doesn't have to be boring. Oh, and don't miss the surprise tip at the end. It might save you thousands. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. What is life insurance and why do you need it? Life insurance is a contract where you pay a premium, and in return, the insurance company promises to pay your beneficiaries when you pass away. It's like a financial safety net for your loved ones. Whether it's paying off a mortgage, covering college tuition, or just making sure your family doesn't end up eating ramen noodles forever, life insurance has your back. Now let's introduce the contenders. 1. Term life insurance. This is life insurance with an expiration date. You buy it for a specific term like 10, 20, or 30 years. If you pass away during that term, your beneficiaries get the payout. If you don't, well, you don't. 2. Permanent life insurance. This one lasts your entire life, as long as you keep paying the premiums. It also has a cash value component that grows over time and can be borrowed against. It's like life insurance with a built-in savings account. Let's talk about term life insurance. First, the pros: it's super affordable. Great if you're on a budget. Plus, it's simple to understand. No bells, no whistles. It's perfect for short-term needs like covering a mortgage or raising kids. Now the cons: it expires. If you outlive the term, there's no payout. Also, there's no cash value, so you can't borrow against it. It's like renting an apartment. Cheap and effective, but you don't build equity. Now for permanent life insurance. The pros: it lasts your entire life. No expiration date. It builds cash value over time, which you can borrow against or use for retirement. It's great for estate planning or leaving a legacy. And the cons: it's pricey. Seriously, your wallet might cry a little. It's also more complex. There are different types like whole life, universal life, and variable life. Think of it as owning a home. Higher upfront costs, but you build wealth over time. Here's the million-dollar question. Which one should you choose? Choose term life if you're young and need affordable coverage. You have a specific financial obligation like a mortgage or kids' college tuition. You want maximum coverage for minimal cost. Choose permanent life if you want lifelong coverage. You're looking to build cash value as part of your financial strategy. You have estate planning goals or want to leave an inheritance. Remember, it's not about which is better. It's about what fits your needs and budget. Because buying life insurance is like buying shoes. Don't force a size 10 if you're an 8. Let's look at some examples. Scenario 1. Meet Sarah and John. They're in their 30s, have 2 kids, and just bought a house. They go with a 20-year term life policy to cover their mortgage and kids' education. Scenario 2. Now meet Margaret. She's in her 50s, her kids are grown, and she's thinking about estate planning. She opts for permanent life insurance to leave a legacy for her grandchildren and create a tax-advantaged savings account. Different stages of life, different needs, different solutions. Here's your surprise tip. You don't have to choose just one. Many people use a combination of term and permanent life insurance. It's called laddering, using term for immediate short-term needs and permanent for long-term goals. It's like having the best of both worlds, affordable coverage now and lifelong protection later. All right, financial heroes, it's time to take action. What kind of life insurance are you leaning toward? Term, permanent, or a mix of both? Let us know in the comments. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. It's like giving us a virtual high five. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on money, insurance, and building a financially secure future. Oh, and share this video with someone who's still trying to figure out what life insurance even is. Together, we can demystify money and make smarter decisions. See you in the next video.